In this video, I will show you how to update inventory quantity by adjusting the difference of the quantity, not the absolute quantity, but just to import the difference. So to start, I will export with Excelify all the products with inventory, just so that we have some example data to work with. Alright, so it's exported now. I'll just download this file. And as you know, basically you can identify the products and variants in different ways, but like by the ID handle and variant ID and so on. But I will show maybe the most typical cases where you need to identify them by a variant SKU, because that's most likely what you are getting from your supplier. So I'll just delete all the other columns. I'll keep the variant SKU, and you see here is this variant inventory quantity. Let me just make it bigger. Inventory quantity column, and there is inventory adjust column. So at the moment we have these kinds of quantities for those SKUs. And yeah, so let's assume we don't have a quantity, but we want to just adjust the difference. And also let's remove duplicates so that we have unique SKUs here. For example, for this one, we will add some 10,000. Here we will remove some 5,000. And yeah, basically let's add some 10,000 to the rest of them. And that's it. This is the file that you can import. Let's call it adjust inventory. Yeah, so now we go to import and import the same file. Of course, you can also prepare this file on Google Sheets and paste the link there. If you saw, there was a place to paste the link. You could do also like that, but yeah, for simplicity of example, I'll just import the Excel file. So it shows that it found 13 SKUs, and let's just import. And since you are importing by SKU, it will actually search across all your products the SKUs that match, and it will update the same quantity, it will update the same differences for all of those SKUs, because if you remember, some of them were repeating several times. So we will have the app would find them in all the places for all the variants and would do this adjustment. It's done. So here we see that it updated 13 products out of the 18 lines. Yeah, so we can download the import results file, and it will be slightly different than you originally had. You see, the app is adding here. It's adding the ID and handle for each product where it did the update, and variant ID. So basically you can see in which product this SKU was found, and the result that it got updated as okay. So, and now we can go into the admin and look. For example, let's copy this one product handle. Go and check what happened to it. Yeah. And the quantity, you see, it's now 13,000 in stock. It's because we added 10,000. In case you have the Google Sheets or any other like file on a Dropbox and so on, you can paste the URL here and import it from there. On our site, there are also here under the tutorials, you can see different ways how you can import files. Yep, that's it what I wanted to show you.